We've all heard stories about people becoming millionaires. Some make it sound like pure luck. Others act like it's some kind of secret only the elite know. But here's the thing. Becoming a millionaire by 40 isn't about luck or being born into money. It's about mindset, smart habits, and a few key strategies that anyone can follow. If you think the deck is stacked against you, think again. In this video, we're breaking down the exact steps that can take you from wherever you are now to your first million by 40. Let's get into it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. 1. Start early, but not too late. You've probably heard this before, but it's worth repeating. The earlier you start, the better. Time is the most powerful ally you have when it comes to building wealth. If you're in your 20s or 30s, you're in prime position to take advantage of compound interest, your money making more money over time. But what if you're already 30 or pushing closer to 40? Does that mean it's too late? Absolutely not. While starting early gives you more runway, the key is not to wait any longer. The worst thing you can do is keep putting off your financial goals, hoping for some magical day when you'll be ready. That day never comes unless you make it today. So if you haven't started yet, here's your first move. Start investing right now. Even if it's a small amount, $100, $50, whatever you can manage, start today. Automate it, so you don't even have to think about it. Consistency is everything, and even small amounts will grow if you give them enough time. Step 2. Embrace the power of compound interest. Let me introduce you to the magic of compound interest. It's like planting a tree at first. It's just a sapling, but as the years go by, it grows bigger and bigger, producing more fruit than you ever expected. Compound interest works exactly the same way. The money you invest earns returns, and then those returns start earning returns. Over time, this snowball effect becomes unstoppable. Here's a simple example. Let's say you invest $5,000 a year starting at age 25, and you do that for 10 years. By age 35, you've invested $50,000 total. If you let that money sit in a stock market index fund with an average return of 7%, by the time you're 40, that $50,000 will have grown to over $110,000. Now imagine if you keep adding to it. The earlier you start, the more your money works for you. But compound interest doesn't only work in your 20s and 30s. Even if you start at 35, you can still build serious wealth by 40, as long as you make smart, consistent investments and take advantage of every year you have. Step 3. Invest like a millionaire. If you want to be a millionaire by 40, you need to invest your money wisely. Saving alone won't get you there. In fact, if you keep all your money in a regular savings account, inflation will slowly eat away at its value. To grow your wealth, you need to make your money work harder for you. Most self-made millionaires follow a simple investment strategy. Invest regularly and diversify your portfolio. You don't need to be a stock market genius to do this. Start by investing in low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds. These funds automatically spread your money across a wide range of companies, reducing risk and giving you a solid chance at long-term growth. And here's where consistency comes in. Automate your investments. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your investment account, so you're investing every month, no matter what. Whether the market is up or down, you're putting money in consistently, which helps you take advantage of both high and low points in the market. If you're feeling a bit more adventurous and have the appetite for risk, you can also allocate a small percentage of your portfolio to individual stocks or alternative investments like real estate. But the bulk of your money should be in safe, diversified options that grow steadily over time. Step 4. Spend less than you earn. It sounds obvious, but here's the truth. If you want to become a millionaire, you need to live below your means. That doesn't mean you have to live a life of deprivation, but it does mean being smart about your spending. Every dollar you don't spend is a dollar you can invest, and every dollar you invest is one step closer to that $1 million mark. Most millionaires didn't get there by winning the lottery or blowing cash on luxury cars and expensive clothes. They built their wealth by being frugal and focusing on what really matters. That doesn't mean you never treat yourself, but you should make it a habit to prioritize saving and investing over unnecessary spending. One of the best ways to do this is by adopting the 50-30-20 rule. This simple budget guideline suggests that you allocate 50% of your income to needs, like housing and groceries, 30% to wants, dining out, entertainment, and 20% to savings and investments. If you can manage to save more than 20%, even better. Step 5. Increase your income. Becoming a millionaire isn't just about saving and investing what you already have. It's also about increasing your income. The more you earn, the more you can save and invest, which accelerates your journey to $1 million. So how do you increase your income? There are several strategies. First, if you're currently working a 9-to-5 job, look for ways to negotiate raises or take on additional responsibilities that could lead to promotions and higher pay. Too many people stay in the same role for years without ever asking for more money. Don't be one of them. If you've been consistently adding value to your company, you have the right to ask for a raise. Another option is to start a side hustle. In today's gig economy, there are countless ways to earn extra income on the side. Whether it's freelancing, driving for a ride-sharing service, selling products online, or offering consulting in your area of expertise, a side hustle can provide a significant income boost, and every dollar you make can go directly into your investment account. Lastly, invest in yourself. Developing new skills, earning certifications, or even going back to school can lead to higher paying opportunities in the future. Remember, increasing your income isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter. Step 6. Adopt a millionaire mindset. Here's the thing. Becoming a millionaire isn't just about what you do, it's about how you think. Millionaires have a different mindset when it comes to money. They see money as a tool, not just something to spend. They understand the power of delayed gratification, and they're willing to make sacrifices today for a better tomorrow. One of the most important secrets to becoming a millionaire is changing your relationship with money. If you see money as something to be hoarded, you'll never invest it. If you see it as something to be spent on every fleeting desire, you'll never build wealth. But if you see it as a tool for creating future freedom, you'll start making decisions that align with that goal. One of the most powerful things you can do is to start thinking like a millionaire, even if you're not there yet. Develop habits of saving, investing, and constantly learning about money. Read books, watch videos, and follow successful investors who share their knowledge. The more you immerse yourself in the millionaire mindset, the more likely you are to achieve it. Step 7. Stay focused and patient. There's no such thing as an overnight millionaire, unless you're a lottery winner, but that's another story. Building wealth takes time, patience, and discipline. Along the way, you might feel frustrated by slow progress or tempted to abandon your plan for a get-rich-quick scheme. Resist the urge. Becoming a millionaire by 40 is entirely possible, but it requires consistent effort. It's about making small, smart decisions every day. Keep your eye on the prize, and remember that every step you take, whether it's investing, saving, or increasing your income, brings you closer to your goal. Step 8. Surround yourself with like-minded people. Finally, one of the most overlooked secrets to becoming a millionaire is the people you surround yourself with. The people in your life, your friends, family, colleagues, have a huge influence on your mindset and habits. If you're constantly surrounded by people who spend recklessly, don't save, or aren't interested in building wealth, their behavior can rub off on you. Seek out friends, mentors, or communities where people share similar financial goals. Being around like-minded people will keep you motivated and accountable. There's a reason why successful people tend to surround themselves with other successful people. It's easier to stay focused when you have a support system. If you found value in this video, be sure to subscribe for more tips on building wealth and mastering your money. Let's keep growing together.